Good morning, dear student. Now today we will study chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. First we define equation. A statement of equality which contain one or more unknown quantity or variables, is also called literals, is called an equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 is a linear equation with one variable x. Okay, this part is called LHS, left hand side, and this is called RHS, right hand side. Okay, now we take another examples. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is also an equation, and it is also a linear equation with two variables x and y. Okay, and this part is called LHS and this part is called RHS. Okay, understand? Now we define linear equation. An equation involving only linear polynomials is called a linear equation. For example, 2x minus 7 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, 3 by 2 x plus 9 is equal to 5. Next, y by 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. These are the linear equation with one variables. Okay, are linear equation with one variable. Okay, understand? Now next, solution of a linear equation. A value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement is called a solution or root of the equation. For example, here we take 2x plus 2 is equal to 5. 2x plus 2 is equal to, we take here 4. Okay, if we put x is equal to x is equal to 1 in this equation, now we see that 2 1 are 2 in LHS part 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Understand? RHS. Now we can say that x is equal to 1 is a solution of 2x plus 2 is equal to 4 or root of equation 2x plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, here LHS we take 2x plus 2. Okay, this part is called LHS and this part is called RHS. Okay, understand? Now we solve exercise 2.1. Solve the following equation. Question number first, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Here you see that this is the linear equation in LHS part and number in RHS part. Okay, now we add to both sides. Okay, now you see that x minus 2 plus 2, 7 plus 2, the balance is not disturbed. Okay, balance is not disturbed. Balance is not disturbed. Okay. Now 2 cancel out by 2. X is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. This is the solution. Now we take question number 3. Here you see that 6 is equal to z plus 2. Okay. 6 is equal to z plus 2. We subtract 2 from both sides. Okay. 6 minus 2 is equal to z plus 2 minus 2. 2 cancel out by 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Z r, we write it in this form, z is equal to 4. Okay. In this way we solve these type of equations. Okay. Now we solve question number 4. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now transposing 3 by 7 to RHS. Okay. Now we can see that x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay. When we transfer 3 by 7 from LHS to RHS, its sign change, minus 3 by 7. Now we solve it. Numerator same. Now we subtract the numerator. 17 minus 3, 14 by 7. 7 to the 14. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now we solve question number 7. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. LHS part, RHS part. Here you have 2x by 3 multiply 3. Both sides multiply by 3. Okay. 3 cancel out by 3. 2x is equal to 54. 18 3 is 54. Now both sides divided by 2. Okay. Both sides, next step, side divided by 2. 2 cancel out by 27. X is equal to 27. X is equal to 27. Okay. Understand? Now we solve question number 9. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. LHS part, RHS part. Okay. Transposing minus 9 to RHS. Okay. Now this implies that 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. When we transfer minus 9 from LHS to RHS, its sign will be changed. Here you see that minus 9 have minus sign. When its sign changes, it will become positive. Okay. Now 7x is equal to 25. Next step, 7x divided by 7. 7. Both sides divided by 7. Okay. 7 cancel out with 7. X is equal to 25/7 is the right answer. Okay. Now we solve question number 11. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Transposing 17 to RHS. Okay. Now 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. Now 6p is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now both sides divided by 6. Both sides divided by 6. Okay. 6 cancel over 6. 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. Now p is equal to minus 4/3. Okay. Understand? Thank you, student.